Hey everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating my 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan from 1986. This is the ceiling fan that I got from my school's administration building over the summer. I have been attending that school for 8 years and this is now my final year there, as now I am a senior in high school. This was definitely one of the last old ceiling fans in the building, since most of them have been replaced with modern fans or light fixtures. And that building has been going under some renovations for quite a bit. And they took the ceiling fan down from the principal's office, and my mother got a call from the school and they said that we took down a ceiling fan and that I was ready to come pick it up. So I went over there and picked it up, took it home, I cleaned it up, tested it, make sure it worked right. Then I took it apart, cleaned up the inside, oiled it, and then here it is. And this is my first Hunter original ceiling fan. Here's a closer view of the fan. Came exactly as you see it. There's the Hunter logo stamped into the switch cap. And that scratch right there, that was my fault. I was twisting this thing off, but it was really hard to get off, so I grabbed a pair of pliers and I twisted that off the pliers, and I wasn't being careful and it accidentally got the switch housing. And I should have put a paper towel there or something to protect it, but I have now learned my lesson. So yeah, there's that. Fan is an antique brass finish. Fan is cast iron, obviously. Blades are non-reversible. Same finish on both sides. I believe the blade finish is pecan. And yeah, one of the blades has a little bit of paint on it. The room that this fan originally was in has been painted multiple times before, and some of the paint splotches have got on the blades, but most of them have been removed after I cleaned it up. So that's just the only spot that's left, and it pretty much caked onto the blade. Let me get a stool really quick. It's raining outside, and that's where the ladder is. I don't feel like getting wet. There's the Hunter tag. There's the date, 86. 1986, obviously. Wouldn't be from 86 AD. That'd be an old fan. And there's the top shot. And this fan is mounted on a U-bracket, not a J-hook, because it would be very ideal to install a reversible Hunter original on a U-bracket, not a J-hook. And I tried to mount the U-bracket onto the junction box, but it was not compatible with it for some reason, since the holes wouldn't go in. So I unscrewed the J-hook from this joist right here and bolted in the U-bracket. And yep, there's that. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to the demonstration. Starting off with low. This fan does start up pretty quickly. Has a little bit of a hum to it. It's very quiet though, you can barely hear it. All right, let's crank it up to medium. Yeah, this thing's got a bent blade somewhere, so it has a little bit of a severe wobble. Oh God, I hate living next to an airport. Always hearing planes going by. All right, speaking of planes, why don't we crank this thing up to high speed so you can see this thing go fast as a jet. Yeah, she is definitely a powerhouse. It does run a lot smoother than it did previously, I will tell you that. Because when I got this thing, it was kind of starved of oil, so it was very hard to turn, but now it's pretty easy, so yep. Yeah, this thing moves some serious air. There's a view of it from afar. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.